Hello, hi everybody. Hope everyone is safe at home. Today I would like to talk about how to be happy. There could be many reasons for our unhappiness. One could be like unable to control our anger, other thing getting tensed or worried, and another could be like the fear of being judged by someone. First, coming to our anger, when we are angry, the body literally produces poison. Our blood pressure increases, pulse increases, and we take the most stupid decisions when we are angry. So we should try to control our anger. When we are angry, we actually yell at someone. Similarly, the person also yells at us, which is not so good to our body. Say a person whom you daily encounter at office or a person whom you live with at home is most of the times rude to you or is disrespecting you. What could be done is, when you throw a ball up, you would obviously get a ball but not a stone, right? When the person is being rude to you, we in turn be rude to them. Maybe without our intention, we also try being rude to the person. It generally happens with me. When someone speaks rude to me, my reply to them would be rude. So thinking from our end, if we try being good to the person would also try to be good to us, and that is up to it is our expectation. All we could do is be good to the person and expect him to be good to you. Because when you throw a ball, maybe if you have thrown it a little higher, you would get a little later, but you would get a ball but not a stone or a rose. So and it is always like a transaction. You give and take. You try being good to the person. If he gives it, it is fine. But if, of course, there is always a threshold point. If you feel the person has reached the threshold point, make him sit when he is cool and tell him that it is wrong on his part. Because I consider words are very powerful. Words can act as sharp as knives or can be as soft as cotton. It is always the way we deliver it. And say you don't like the people around in your office. There's a story regarding this. Once a person went to his HR and said that he wanna quit his job. The HR asked him why. The person said, I don't like the people around me. One is always negative, the other just gossips, the other always finds fault, etc. etc. The HR then said him to take a glass and fill it with water up to the brim and walk in the corridor once and return to him. The person, as said, filled the glass with water, walked through the corridor and returned to the HR. The HR then asked, did you see someone just wasting time having snacks? He said no. Did you see someone gossiping? He said no. Then the HR said him, when you focus on your priorities, you don't see the drama around you. You'll always have such people wherever you go. So it is up to you. Focus on your priorities and certainly try changing the people around you, but not the work. And another thing could be, when the opposite person is yelling at you, all you could do is try your level best to stay silent. Because consider a soda bottle and a water bottle. Shake both the bottles equally and after a while open them. The soda bottle would ooze out, but water bottle would stay silent. There would be no reaction. So it is up to you to either react or respond to a situation. Do remember one thing, that the situation which you are into is not under your control. So the way you react, the decision you take is important. Great personalities are not born, they are made by the decisions they take, the choices they make. For example, in a cricket field, you see a bowler would shout at the batsman just to distract him. But the batsman can score well only if he is cool. So never get angry, never yell at the person opposite you. Choose if you should react or respond to a situation. And second, as we thought, being worried or tensed. Just by worrying about the problem, can you find a solution? No, all you could do, all you should do is think about the solution rather than the problem. Always, what we do is, we always sit thinking why something has happened to us. You are not supposed to think why it has happened. You're supposed to think how you should deal with it. Because, as I said, the situations which you are into are not under your control. That is called destiny. Destiny is something that we didn't decide to which parents you should be born to, which place you should be born. It is all destiny, which is not under our control at all. See, at times we decide, maybe about our education, we decide to do a degree and finally end up with some other degree. Similarly, we finally settle at some other place which we have never thought of. So the situations which we are into are not under our control. So never waste your time about the situations or even our past. Don't waste time about past, something which has happened and which you can't change right now. All you could do is consciously think what could be done regarding the solution. And number 3 is being judged. Of course, the society would judge you for whatever you do, say for everything you do, because it is easy, it is free of cost. What we should do is remind ourselves that what we are doing is something which we wanted to do and which we love to do. After all, it is our life. So, as I said, the situation around you, the stimulus which comes to you, the comments which people give to you is not under your control. The way you react to it or respond to it is up to you. So, here I would like to conclude saying we shall overcome someday. I always used to think that the quality with which we were born with wouldn't change till our death. Like, I was one such short-tempered person, getting tensed or worried and having the fear of being judged. But consciously reminding myself that I have decided to be happy has helped me, and in coping up in few things and being more happier than I was earlier. So just trying to help someone out there who is like me. Please do consciously remind yourself that you wanted to be happy. All the stimulus around you shouldn't affect you. Don't we all deserve to be happy? Yes, happiness is our decision. And here I would say bye. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Have a great day ahead.